is located over Granite near Aiken, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected. Tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Aiken and Citizens Park around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Aiken Municipal Airport around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Vaucluse, Burnett Town, New Holland, and Hopeland Gardens. This includes Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 11 and 34.